Hello everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. I cannot believe that this month is flying by and I'm really enjoying making these videos. It's been so nice to just share pieces of my life with all of you versus renovation. Obviously, I love renovating our house and I love sharing that with all of you. However, since I've had to take things slow recently and I've been having to get custom projects out of the door, it's just been nice to share pieces of my life with y'all, and you know, the things that you don't get to see on this channel regularly. Today is Jared and my 5th anniversary. I simply cannot believe it. Like, it has flown by, but also it feels like we've been together forever. So I'm getting ready for our dinner that we have tonight. I've been working all morning. I gave Chewy a bath. You're all clean. You did a good job. You ready to go pout? Oh yeah. Where are you going? You look cute. I like your haircut. You did a good job. You're mad. Yeah, it's okay. You're nice and clean. Dramatic. A haircut and a bath. That's all we did. That's it. That's all we did. Once I'm done getting ready, I need to start packing because tomorrow I leave for Louisiana. For the last few days, I've been working on a packing list because I really don't want to forget anything. I'm going to be gone for quite a while. And obviously with like being in the wedding, I don't want to forget anything that like I have to wear at the wedding. I can't exactly just find shoes because I've got extra large feet. And then speaking of my shoes, they actually don't fit me. I need to try them on again, but I would be surprised if they fit me now and they didn't whenever I purchased them. But they do not fit me, so I have to figure out a little DIY situation on those shoes. And I think I've got it figured out, but I'm not working on those until sometime next week. So I'm just really hoping that I don't mess up my shoes. I don't think that there's anywhere to go but up from here. And I took like 2 leather working classes at Maker Camp this year, so who knows, right? Those classes have nothing to do with these shoes, but I can at least say that I've worked with leather before and it didn't go horribly wrong. I made something cool. I'll put it on the screen. So I feel like if I can make a glasses case with instruction, I can tear apart some shoes and put it back together. It's just a strip of leather, so it's not like it's a whole shoe that I'm trying to redo, you know, but still, it's a little nerve-wracking. Also, where do people with big feet get their shoes? Because I am very much at a loss. I feel like all shoes are made for medium feet now, and I have like extra wide feet. I don't know that I'm going to be ready on time for our dinner reservation, but obviously like I need to be. We are going to a local Italian restaurant. It's so good. It's definitely one of my favorite places. But we don't get Italian food very often because Jared doesn't like Italian food as much as I do. So for our anniversary every year, we go get Italian food. And okay, this is the look. I've been feeling super pregnant the last couple days. But cute little dress from Amazon. It's like so stretchy, so I can eat everything that I want to. And some brown shoes because it's not really that cold outside today, thankfully. But yeah, this is it. And I'm ready in time for dinner. I'm actually very hungry right now. I had full intentions of recording while I was packing. I had this whole vlog planned in my mind for Friday and it just didn't happen because Chewy gets so anxious whenever he sees me packing. So I basically just had to like speed pack and throw everything together, bring everything to the vehicle while Jared had Chewy occupied, which was great because he had no idea that I was packing the whole time. So that went so smoothly. But then he did start to get a little suspicious, and he started like being by me, and he even came in the room and started staring at me while I was trying to pack things. Highly suspicious. You can take a nap, bud. It's okay. It's bedtime. You can go to sleep. This is what the RAV ended up looking like, plus the trunk was completely full, so definitely brought a lot of things for the 2 weeks or so that I'm going to be here. About 4 years ago when we moved to Chicago, we came down for Christmas that year, and my little cousin asked me if I could bring him some snow one year. And ever since then, I've been thinking about it, but the way that things have played out, it hasn't snowed early enough for me to like collect the snow before we left. Last year we left right before, like the day before there was a huge winter storm. So I didn't have any snow to bring to him, but this year it snowed twice. We had our first snow on Halloween, and then we had a second snow in November. So I was able to collect snow from both of those times, and I put them in a little jar, and I've had that jar in the freezer. The first collection of snow that I got actually melted quite a bit, and I was so bummed and so nervous that I wasn't going to be able to bring him his snow, but it snowed again, and I got a recommendation to actually put foil around the new container that I purchased and put foil inside of the lid, and that's what I did, and it worked beautifully. I can't forget the snow. I've grabbed the snow. Morning. You ready to get our day started? I'm about 30 minutes later than I wanted to be, but it's okay. It was not a very good sleep night last night. So we're gonna hit the road and have a little 14 to 16 hour day today. You ready? You ready to go bye-bye? You're gonna go for a ride. It's gonna be a long one. His snow made it. I cannot believe that the snow actually made the trip. It took about 16 hours to get to my dad's, so I'm super shocked that it made the drive, but he's got snow, and it actually still looks like snow. It doesn't just look like a huge clump of ice in this jar, which is amazing. I cannot believe it. I can't wait to give this to him on Christmas. That drive yesterday was so rough. I was fighting with some really aggressive winds all throughout Illinois, especially whenever you get to kind of like the field areas where there's nothing blocking you on either side. You're just getting constantly attacked by wind. So between that, and then there was really bad spots of rain all throughout from Illinois all the way into Louisiana. The rain was just awful. All of that coupled with like 3 hours of sleep the night before was just so rough, and I fully planned on editing this particular vlog last night. However, I was just absolutely done for whenever I got to my dad's. I went to bed early. I woke up late today, which was great. I got to sleep in a little bit, and thankfully Chewy was really chill on the drive yesterday. He's usually pretty good for car rides, and I was a little nervous with how he would do on that particular drive with just me, because typically Jared and I come down and go back up together, but it's just me and Chew this time, so I was a little nervous about it, and he did a great job. He was just super chill. He laid in his bed the whole time, and it was fantastic. These definitely are not making it back to the house. Oh my god, it smells so good. I love meshes. This is what I look forward to every time I come to Lafayette. In all of the chaos, I completely forgot to put a face on this elf, so we had to go to Michael's. And thankfully I lasered the back of it, but we had to go to Michael's so that I could get some paint to make her face, because otherwise she would be faceless. And then I have to do a little bit of paint touch up here, so I'm probably going to do that later today, and then she'll be done. $19. Let's see. Heavy body acrylic. I just need normal acrylic paint. Ivory black. Chewy. I think this will work. And then I need a paint brush. Brushes. Thanks for watching today's vlog. Tomorrow I'm going to New Orleans and I'll be there for quite a while until the wedding. And I'm going to be revealing my first ever wedding sign. Lauren's sign is the first wedding sign I've ever made. Obviously I've made a couple of like other signs before, but it's so special to me because this is my gift to them and they haven't seen it yet and it's entirety. So I'm going to give them their sign tomorrow. I have another gift for them as well that's completely separate that I'm going to film and talk about tomorrow. And all of that will be tomorrow's vlog. So when you're watching this, it'll be tomorrow's vlog. So Tuesday's vlog. I will have another vlog out tomorrow from Monday. And I really hope to be back on my Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday posting schedule after this. But please don't forget to subscribe. I'm so close to 400 subscribers and I really would love to hit that mark. Liking the video and commenting on the video absolutely helps me and it's so appreciated. But I will see you all tomorrow.